Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Tân Phạm from Dr. Tân Clinic. I received a very interesting question about a frequently seen condition, stomach acid reflux. So to get the basic idea about what this condition is, please review quickly about the Western medical aspect of it. Stomach acid reflux is a common condition which features as a burning pain or heartburn in the lower chest. It happens when the stomach acid flows back up to our food pipe or esophagus. Normally, when we swallow, a circular band of muscles in the bottom of our esophagus relaxes and allows the food and liquid to get into the stomach. After that, it closes to prevent them from flowing backward. But if for any reason this muscle doesn't contract and relax properly, the stomach acid can flow back up and irritate the lining of the esophagus and cause burning pain. The medical name of this condition is gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD for short. GERD is diagnosed when stomach acid reflux occurs more than twice per week. The treatment might include some medications such as antacid to neutralize the acid inside the stomach as well as inside the esophagus, or it may include some drugs to reduce the stomach acid secretion. For example, PPIs, which is proton pump inhibitors, or H2 blockers. But if you have to use frequent high doses of medication to control your condition, or if you have damage to your esophagus or stomach, even with medications, or more seriously, if you have hiatal hernia, which is a condition that the upper part of your stomach bulges up to your chest cavity, you may need to take a surgery. Now let's move on to talk about the traditional medicine perspective of this condition. To illustrate this condition in TCM, I will use the metaphor wood fire stove. In this metaphor, the pot is your stomach, the wood is your spleen, and the fire is the vital energy, or in TCM we call that qi. And you guess that the substance inside the pot is the food and liquid that we consume. Now we want this system to function well, we have to control the fire and the substance inside the pot. If the fire is too weak, we don't have our food well cooked. If the fire is too strong, we have the boiling over condition. It looks like a volcanic eruption, and it's really similar to stomach acid reflux. In TCM, we call this condition stomach tea uprising. Stomach tea uprising can cause many symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, or stomach acid reflux. What causes stomach tea uprising? It varies. It could be caused by liver cyst stagnation, which interferes with the stomach function. Liver cyst stagnation is a condition manifests with symptoms like frequent stress, frustration, short temper, or tight feeling in the chest area. Liver cyst stagnation can make the fire to overrise and cause overboiling. But an overboiling pot is not the only reason for the stomach acid reflux condition. It could be also caused by the food stagnation inside the stomach itself. It's like when we just have a small pot and we just keep putting and putting more food into the pot, or when we are so impatient to wait until the food being cooked completely, but we just keep pushing and pushing more substance into the stomach. Or this condition can also be caused by something completely different, such as the cold and the dampness, which are the two factors in the 6 exogenous factors in traditional medicine. As you see, there's a huge variety of causes for stomach acid reflux in traditional medicine. Anyway, a common treatment would include 2 parts. First, we make the stomach tea to go downward as nature intended. By this action, we can reduce the symptoms that one may have, for example, nausea or heartburn. Secondly, we'll go to treat the root problem that we have defined. For example, if one has liberty stagnation and the reason is due to his irregular routine and being under a lot of stress at work, then the treatment would include treating the liver, which we call pacify the liberty in TCM, and encourage him to seek a better lifestyle and to adjust the work schedule if possible, which are the actual causes for his condition. So it is essential to have a TCM doctor to examine and diagnose your specific condition in order to make a proper strategy and effective treatment for you. So I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, please submit them in the comments. Thank you for watching.